Package dimensions: 2.3 cm L x 4.7 cm W x 13.8 cm H. Product type: tools. Country of origin: China. Package weight: 1.140000000000001 pounds. ABS case with rubber over mold in Hi-Viz Orange to help identify tape at a crowded job site. Extra wide end hook holds better and makes marking easier. Color: black. Manufactured in China. The E.T. Lufkin Board and Log Rule Manufacturing Company started in Cleveland, Ohio in 1869 to serve the logging industry. Lufkin produced rules of superior quality, using only the best materials, and the company flourished, gaining a substantial following of loyal customers. The company soon moved to Saginaw, Michigan, which at the time was the center of the logging industry as settlement of the young United States moved relentlessly westward. Top reviews from the United States. Love this little gadget. Was excited to find this item on Amazon and at a very reasonable price. I often need to measure something while shopping, so what could be more convenient? Originally had a smaller, cheaper-looking keychain version I found at an auto parts store, but it had become chipped and cracked, looked terrible. Besides, it was only half the width and half the length of this Lufkin model. Yes, it's a bit bulky, but so are all of my keys and rewards tags. I doubt mind a little extra bulk. It is very sturdy, extends smoothly, and locks securely. I am so happy with my new toy.